So I just stumbled upon this course about GitHub Copilot, and it's wild. It explains how to use it for peer programming.
Oh, that's fascinating. So it's like having a coding buddy that's always ready to help. I can see that being a game changer.
Right? And it dives into how Copilot can suggest code as you type, almost like it can read your mind. Imagine that.
Wait, seriously? It can predict what you're thinking code-wise? I mean, that's both impressive and a little eerie.
Totally. And there's this module that teaches you how to set up a collaborative environment with it, like a virtual pair programming setup.
Wow, it sounds like it transforms the whole coding experience. Do you still have to understand the code it suggests?
Exactly. It's not a crutch, but more like a tool enhancing your coding skills rather than replacing them. That's key.
I love that. It's like having an assistant that makes you more aware of your own coding process.
And get this, the course even discusses how to handle Copilot's suggestions, like how to evaluate them for quality.
Oh wow, that's smart. It's kind of like second-guessing your own thoughts since the AI might not always be right.
Exactly. There's a real emphasis on collaboration. It teaches you to lean into the AI as a partner instead of just a tool.
I can see how that would be important. If you don't evaluate those suggestions, you could end up with bad code.
For sure. And there's this concept they call human in the loop. So you're always in charge of the output.
Wait, what's human in the loop? That sounds critical.
It means that while Copilot provides suggestions, the developer has to make the final call on what goes in the code.
Oh, that totally makes sense. It keeps the coder engaged and ensures quality control. Love that.
And check this out. The course brings in real-world scenarios. They're showing how teams use it to solve coding problems.
That's neat. It's like case studies for programming. I bet it really drives the point home.
Yes, and it turns out that teams using Copilot have reported faster coding sessions, which is huge.
Wow, that's a serious productivity boost. I can't believe the potential for speeding up development.
Right? And there's also a focus on integrating it into GitHub workflows. It's all about seamless use.
Integrating it sounds smart. That way, it feels like it's part of your normal workflow rather than an add-on.
Exactly. The goal is to create a continuous feedback loop between the developer and Copilot.
It's actually kind of revolutionary. You wouldn't think an AI tool could reshape how we code so much.
Hold on, that changes everything. If everyone starts using this, we could see a total shift in coding culture.
Right? It's like having an endless source of inspiration and knowledge, always at our fingertips.
And the best part? It's also democratizing coding. More people can jump in and contribute to projects.
That's a great point. It could help beginners learn faster. Wow, this tool really opens doors.
For sure. And while some might worry about AI replacing jobs, this could actually create more opportunities.
Absolutely. It's more about enhancing human skill than taking it away. That's empowering.
It really is. And I love how they stress community building among developers using this tech together.
Community is everything. Sharing insights and experiences makes learning so much richer.
And think about it. As they share their experiences, that knowledge pool grows exponentially.
Wow, we're not just talking about coding anymore. We're talking about collaboration as a mindset.
Totally. The implications are mind-blowing when you think about how it can shift the developer landscape.
I can only imagine the types of innovations that might sprout from all this collaboration.
And you know what? As they refine this tool, it could even adapt better to individual coding styles.
That's nuts. So you could train it to know your preferences over time.
Exactly. It becomes like a personalized coding assistant, super tuned into your style.
Okay, I'm sold. What's not to love about a tool that boosts skills and collaboration?
And it makes coding more accessible while pushing boundaries. That's the future right there.
So exciting. But do you think there will be any challenges integrating it at scale?
Great question. Implementing AI tools often faces resistance because of the learning curve.
True, but as more people experience its benefits, that resistance could fade away.
Exactly. It's all about that gradual adaptation. I'm really excited to see where this goes.
Me too. It's like we're on the verge of a new coding revolution, and it's just the beginning.
Totally. Give it a few years and who knows, coding might look completely different.
That's the beauty of innovation, and I can't wait to dive deeper into all this.